Good morning. Welcome from my bedroom with my natural hair and my beautiful penguin. So I just wanted to say a quick a trick that I do every single day when I wake up in the morning. Maybe you can do it before you go to sleep, but for me I love to do that every single day in the morning. It's a kind of a small to-do list, but it's not a to-do list. When I'm feeling a little bit productive, but I always have a lot of my mind that I need to do, just like do a lot of stuff. Sometimes I just feel stuck and I can't think which thing that I need to do first. So what I do while I just wake up, drink my coffee, is just sit down and write down all the things that I wanna achieve in this day. Um, Even the little things like anything, like doing laundry, like cleaning the kitchen, vacuum the floors, like for work, just like edit that video, publish that video, like record that. If I want to go and if I make a video, just what I need to do and prepare everything. So when I just sit down, I write down all the things that I need to do in this day, even if I don't feel like it. Just having the steps in front of you will help you concentrate and just exclude all the things that you have in your brain and focus on the thing that you are seeing in front of you in the paper. Will help you so much if you have like a overthinking thing like me and you have all a clutter of thoughts in your mind. So try it and let me know.